Okay guys, this coin right here provide us 80% profits. I made $8,000. Pay attention to the rank, 338. Let's go down, you're gonna be impressed with the numbers. 24 hours trading volume, $243 million, my friend. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go down a little more. Pay attention to this. On December 18, the volume of this coin was $12 million. December 19, the volume was $120 million. That's what we talk about. Before the pump in price, there is the pre-pump in volume. That's what my soft is tracking, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. That is the key. So, Bakery token on December 19, we bought this coin before the pump for 22 cents and we put a sell order up here at 40 cents. I made $8,000. Guys, trades I share in the private list this week were, let's go to trends and pump private list right here. Bakery token, Dia, Deep Network, Elastos, Synthetify Metaplex. Overall, we just hit 635%. I made $63,000. Guys, it's all about volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give this example here. Solana. The volume spike today is 147%. Let's check it's true. Take a look at the volume. $4.5 billion. Let's go. Solana, up here. Solana, volume right now 3.8 billion. Okay? But pay attention to this. Volume yesterday at 20 was $1.9 billion. Today is hit 4.5 billion, 4.6 billion. That's what I'm talking about. We need volume to make money, guys. Let me give you another example here. This coin right here, Dia. Okay? We made 80% profit in this coin right here. Pay attention on the volume spike happen right here. Right here on December 17, the volume of this coin was $1.3 million. Guess what? December 19, the volume was $6.4 million. The volume spike and the higher the volume was $151 million. Let's go again. It's hard to believe that that's what I talk about every single day, guys. This is the coin. This is the picture I share in the private list when you trade this coin right here. Oh, remember, I shared this trade in the private list on December 18 and we bought this coin for the price 31 cents and something and put a sell order at 60 cents. Okay, we hit 91%. I made 85%. I made 8,500 this single trade. Now this is the picture, guys, I share in the private list. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list by email, because I can print screen my monitor and give you the price target and draw everything so it can make easy for the trade group. Here we go. At the price when I shared this trade in the private list, the price line was 31 cents and 37 and sell at 60 cents. You see? And was right here around December 18. Guys, feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and you're gonna make 25% per week, guys. Feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com and let's make some money. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.